What's the deal with Bitcoin? Is it a bubble waiting to burst or sound investment opportunity? Well, let me tell you, the Bitcoin halving is about to shake with things up in a big way. But before we get into that, have you ever stopped to think about the demand and supply dynamics of this enigmatic cryptocurrency? A wild ride. Let me tell you. Renowned crypto analyst Willy Woo has been digging into the numbers, and what he found is mind-boggling. The Bitcoin network is seeing a whopping $607 million in new investor for demand daily, contrasted with a paltry $46 million in fresh supply from newly mined coins. It's a major gap, folks. It's like a never-ending stream of people clamoring Victoria get their hands on some Bitcoin, while the supply stays relatively steady. Now, here's where things get really interesting. With the Bitcoin halving looming just 60 days away, Willy Woo is sounding the alarm. He's crunched the numbers, and it turns out that new demand is significantly higher than new supply. Translation, the Bitcoin price is poised to skyrocket. But don't just take our word for it. Micronaut BTC, another sharp-eyed analyst, has done some fascinating arithmetic. Bear with me here, because this is where things get juicy. Macronaut BTC took Willy Woo's findings and ran with them. He postulates a scenario where post-halving daily demand for Bitcoin hits $607 million, outpacing daily new supply by a cool 23 million. That's like a never-ending game of supply and demand tag, where demand is itching to catch up. Extrapolating this imbalance over 250 trading days a year, Macronaut BTC projects an additional market capitalization of a whopping 1.46 trillion. That's a lot of green, folks. Now here's where things get really wild. Macronaut BTC suggests that every $1 trillion increase in market capitalization corresponds to a $50,000 bump in Bitcoin's price. Do the math, and more you'll see that the projected additional market capitalization could potentially drive Bitcoin's price to a mind-boggling $123,000. But wait, there's more. Macronaut BTC also points out that Willy Woo proposed a multiplier approach, which indicates a potential threefold increase in Bitcoin's value relative to US dollar inflow. That's like a triple scoop ice cream cone of profits, folks. So what's the final tally? According to Macronaut BTC's calculations, we're looking at a total market capitalization of $5.38 trillion within a year, which translates to a Bitcoin price surge to a jaw-dropping $273,000. That's like a jackpot lottery ticket, but instead of a few million, we're talking billions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious, stay informed, and keep on Bitcoin.